Hello everybody, my name is Jairith Noguera and I'm going to explain Lexical Approach. According to the Longman Dictionary of Language Teaching and Applied Linguistics, Lexical Approach is defined as an approach to language teaching that is based on the view that the basic building blocks of teaching and learning are words and lexical phrases rather than grammar, functions, or other units of organization. Its main representative is the linguist Michael Lewis. He wrote the book The Lexical Approach, The State of ELT and a Way Forward, in which it explains the conceptual foundations for effectively teaching a second language. According to the book Approaches and Methods in Language Teaching, its learning theory focus on learning collocations or lexical chunks as whole units instead of individual words. Also, these lexical chunks or collocations play a central role in communication because these lexical units, depending on their patterns and combinations, can vary according to the situation and heard in an everyday conversation, meaning that students can learn the language faster. The best method to learn how and when to use these lexical units is by studying through language input, especially reading. According to Fluentu, the meaning of lexical units comes first, and grammar is secondary. The lexical approach proposes that it's important to know the meaning of the lexical units used in real situations. The reason of this is to acquire linguistic fluency and sound more natural. There are several strategies to develop a class using lexical approach, yet it is important to immerse the students in authentic materials and highlight the lexical chunks. The following lesson is an example of how the lexical approach is developed in class. First, the teacher will write on the board collocations in a sentence. Secondly, the teacher will highlight and pronounce the phrases. Thirdly, the teacher will ask the students to repeat the sentences along with the lexical chunks. Subsequently, the teacher will isolate the expressions and explain their meaning according to the context used in class. And finally, the teacher will explain how to write and use correctly the expressions taught. If you want to check more about the lexical approach, here you have the references I use. Thank you. Bye.